Good morning, class 3. Let's start new chapter from Social Studies, chapter 15, Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Till some time ago, it was known as Bombay. All the important offices of the government of Maharashtra are located in Mumbai. The governor, the chief minister and other ministers live and work here. So children, you all have heard the name of Mumbai, isn't it? Where is it? It is in India, in our country, isn't it? So Mumbai is one of the largest city in India, okay? And Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. And Bombay is the old name of Mumbai. Now it is called Mumbai. We all know that, isn't it? Mumbai is famous for many things. Let us discuss one by one, okay? So all the important offices of the government of Maharashtra are located in Mumbai. So Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, and all the important offices, all the government offices of the government of Maharashtra are located in Mumbai, and governor, the chief minister and other minister all live and work in Mumbai only, okay? Now location and climate. What is the climate of Mumbai and where is Mumbai located? It is situated on the west coast of India facing the Arabian Sea. So Mumbai is located in west coast of India, okay, west coast of India and facing the Arabian Sea. You can see there like Arabian Sea, okay, it is surrounded by Arabian Sea and it is located in west coast of India. The climate of Mumbai is moderate. So the climate of Mumbai is moderate. So before Mumbai, in chapter 14 we have read that Delhi, about Delhi. So what was the climate we have read in Delhi? It was extreme climate, isn't it? Delhi is extreme climate, means it is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. But in Mumbai, climate is moderate, okay, means it is warm and humid in summer and pleasant in winter, okay. So in summer, warm and humid climate you will find in Mumbai, and pleasant climate in winter, that means not so cold as compared to Delhi. June, July and August are the monsoon month with heavy rainfall. So June, July and August are considered as a monsoon month of Mumbai, and it is the month with heavy rainfall, okay. Now it's food and festivals. So what festivals are celebrated or people who live in Mumbai, and what type of food are famous in Mumbai? Let us discuss. Bhel puri, vada pav and pav bhaji are popular street foods. Okay, bhel puri, you know bhel puri? Yes, vada pav and pav bhaji are popular street food. Some food items I have given here. Look at the picture. And sirkhand is a popular sweet dish of Mumbai. So sweet dish means after food we will have sweet dish, some sweet dish, isn't it? Like so like this in Mumbai, sirkhand is a very popular sweet dish you will find in Mumbai, okay. And bhel puri, vada pav and pav bhaji are popular street foods. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival celebrated in Mumbai. So Ganesh Chaturthi is the very famous and popular festival which is celebrated the people who live in Mumbai, okay. Ganesh Chaturthi is the famous festival. Now the language spoken. Most people living here speak Marathi, Konkan. Marathi and Konkan. These are the local language, and other languages like Hindi, Urdu, Gujarati, English, and many other Indian languages are also spoken. Okay, the people of Mumbai. Now the places of tourist interest. Now a large number of tourists visit Mumbai every year. So a large number of tourists or people, tourist means the people who came from outside. Okay, so every year the large number of tourists came to visit in Mumbai. Some of the places of tourist interest are, some example I have given, like Gateway of India, Marine Drive, Haji Ali Dargah, Siddhivinayak Temple, Mount Mary Church, SL Vault. These are some places which is famous in Mumbai. Okay, these are the tourist interest places. Chowpatty, Versova Marvi, and Juhu Beach and Elephant Caves. These are some important places which is very famous for tourist interest. Now next one is transport in the city. Transport in the city of Mumbai. Mumbai has one of the best public transport systems in India. So Mumbai has one of the best public transport system in India. So most of the people commute by bus and local train. Most of the people of Mumbai, they travel from one place to place by using bus and local train. Best buses are a popular means of transport, and suburban trains are the lifeline of Mumbai. So best buses and suburban trains are the lifeline of Mumbai. These are the transport which is very famous in Mumbai, and these are the lifeline of Mumbai, people of Mumbai. Now this much for today. Thank you.